Hey, welcome back to part 2 of Warren Buffett's new stakes in Verizon and a few others. Here is another article as of February 16th, 2021 at 10:46 p.m. I'm surprised that was pretty late. So they did cut shares, their stakes in Apple, which is not sure why that would be, and that's probably why we're seeing Apple dropping below that 130 that it's been holding so strong into. So obviously it looks like that has some effect to it. So these are my related quotes. These are quotes that I'm interested in. I'm sure a lot of other people are. Now Verizon, on the other hand, and here is Verizon stock. It's at $56.31. It went up tremendously from last night at 3:55 p.m. You can see it was at 54, and at the start of the market this morning, 9:30, 217, it hit 56.10. I think based on all this so far, where it's heading, where it's going, I won't even be surprised if it hits 60. Obviously, I'm just speculating, but the reason why I'm making this part 2 is because I said that I was going to do the math on Verizon and why this would be a good deal for Warren Buffett to continue to put so much into it. So I'm taking the same formula that he has preached and used for his own stock investments, which is the intrinsic value of a stock and if it's worth it. So here I have my spreadsheet, and I will link in the description below the gentleman, the website that I've used on YouTube to build this spreadsheet. I think he was amazing in explaining it, and it was very detailed, and I love using it now to find out, the value of a stock and if it's a buy or sell. So you can see from my spreadsheet right here, I have stocks that I either have purchased or am interested in one time or another to see if it was worth buying at that moment or not. And just to go really briefly on this one, it's okay. So I have my Verizon company, and then today's date, the ticker, which is VZ, and the earning per share is, let me just go back. Let me just, you know what? I'm going to open a new window, VZ stock price, and we will open up the Yahoo page of it. We'll keep the other graph, the chart open. So we have the EPS at 4.3. This PE is static across, and the link where I'm going to post will describe why these are fixed. The PE, the corporate bond 1G, the growth rate. So the growth of 5 years is in the analysis section. When you go there, let's let that load, and you scroll down, and you have your next 5 year, okay, 2.82. The past 5 years has done a lot better, 6.87. But we're using the future projected growth of the stock. So we put in the 5 years, 2.82, which is here, and the AAA bond yield. We just do a quick search for that, and bond yield. You can go Moody's, and as of the 12th is 2.65. Okay, so you put that in, and then of course you put the current price. My current price when I was setting this up was $55.81. Right now it's at $56.31. So let's readjust that, $56.31, and this is a formula for if it's a buy or sell. That's there, And again, the link in the description below will detail all that. And I want to, obviously give him a shout out. I think I have it. There it is. It's right here. I don't know how to. I know it's Sai. Is his I don't want to butcher the name, but I will link this in the description. This was an amazing, straight to the point, detailed how to set up Formula Excel intrinsic value, and I'll definitely do that. I'll put that in the description. So based on that information, I put all this in for Verizon. Now, current price, and so the intrinsic value is $70.11. That means it's on the upside of 24.51%. This is a buy based on the numbers, the projected growth, the current, EPS in regards to the current bond. It's a good buy. And this is one of many reasons why Warren Buffett is so bullish on this Verizon stock. I think that's it. You can analyze Verizon's profit and loss statements. You can analyze their growth potentials, but ultimately the intrinsic value. These are the numbers that you would put in to get your results. And I think this is why Warren has made his decision to go in on this. And you can see it went up another 10 cents since 11 cents. Oh, okay, 10 since I last spoke. Let's see. As we keep on going up, 30, so 41. It's a good buy. Anything under this value of 70.11 at the current price, which I think, because the news is reaching a broader audience now. It's getting out there. It's we're midday already. It's almost 12. It's almost noon. It's gonna keep on picking up for the rest of the day. It's a hot commodity at the very moment, and we have my family plan Verizon. I think Verizon has one of the better cellular service, in my opinion. Of course, I used to have T-Mobile. My parents used to have Sprint. The worst was T-Mobile. But I think Warren has purchased shares in T-Mobile as well, from what I've read. Yes, increases T-Mobile by 1.36% to 5.2 million shares. So T-Mobile and Verizon, he's going strong with this telecommunication. Could it be 5G, or could it be the revolutionary 6G? Who knows? I'm just making stuff up. Don't listen to me. There you go, guys. Thank you for joining me in part 2. It was very simple, straight. Intrinsic value. Is Verizon a buy? Looks like it is. Thanks for watching. See you guys again soon. Bye.